How to hide a song on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide a song on Spotify. First you go to Spotify and then click any song you want, like this one, and now click here, this icon, click on it, and then click this one, hide this song, click on it, and as you see the song has been hidden. Let's try to hide another song like this one, this one, and then click this one, hide song, hide this song. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.